Hey folks, this is Jacob at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we have in our 2022 Jayco White Hawk 29RL. So this one will have a rear living area, and the bedroom being up front here by this big old window. We do have our power tongue jack, pair of 30-pound LP cylinders. We got our batteries back here on this bracket. So it would come with brand new batteries and full tanks with purchase. So this one does have one slide out there, as you see. We have our pass-through storage with our battery disconnect right there and our power cord. So we have our holding tanks down here. This one has one black and two gray. We do have a outdoor shower, hot and cold. This would be where our low point drain is. We got it hooked up to power. It's a 30 amp. And that is our city water connection. We have our satellite hookup there. We do have a full spare tire on the back here. This one is prepped for a backup camera as well, right up here. Nice big window. We have our ladder. So we do have our power awning with a couple of speakers below that. Those are the speakers. You have our Goodyear tires. That'll be our water heater and furnace above that. This one does come with a outdoor griddle. I'll show you where the hookup is in just a second, as well as a table. So, perfect combination. The grill will be hooked up to this J port, so the whole bar will go in there and the grill will go on top of that. So we'll take a look inside here. Couple of nice chairs right away. Really spacious. So we have our recliners, a couple of plugins on both sides, as well as a little bit of storage above. Storage below. We do have our storage above. Our dining table folds down to a bed. Do have some storage underneath. So you'll notice there is some lighting under these pieces of furniture, so looks pretty sweet. We have our kitchen. So it's going to have plenty of storage. Storage below too. We do have our 3-burner stovetop and glass cover, more countertop space. We have our microwave. So this one is a 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. Right there, we are wired for solar. So we can look into those options if that is what you were looking for. So again, we have our entertainment center. cubbies above. Actually goes pretty deep. We have our control center. So you can control your lighting to the left with those switches. Otherwise you can control it here. Turn this off. So you can control your jacks, your slide outs, your awning, your lights. You can see where your tanks are, whether they're full or not. You can also get an app that can do all that as well. Do have a nice sunlight here, shade. Keep going. Right to the right, we do have our bathroom. Nice walk-in shower with the glass doors. Plenty of storage. Another one behind me. A couple hooks for your towels. Have our mirror. Nice sink. We have our queen bed. So this one's going to have a little bit of storage here, place to hang our clothes, drawers, both sides having plenty of plugins. And on each side there'll be a little bit of area here for your phones or valuable items. And we got the solar charge controller here. Alrighty, so again, that is our 2022 Jayco White Hawk 29RL. If you have any questions or would like to come see this in person, please feel free to give us a call at 507-345-5858. This is on our website as well. Again, my name is Jacob. Thanks for watching.